Satnam, and welcome to the Kundalini Yoga for the Blissful Self. I'm Surya Sivchot Kaur, and I'm happy to invite you to this powerful practice that is specifically for the students who feel the call to evolve in their asana practice beyond asana towards deeper layers of the practice. In Kundalini Yoga, we combine different elements like rapid movement of the body with dynamic breath work, with meditative mind always present, with mudras and bandhas and mantras, so that we can access that high vibrational energy within. My teacher always told me that if you're new to Kundalini Yoga, try it twice. Because the first time can be sometimes a little bit confusing, that what are we actually doing here? And when we are more understanding what is happening in the practice, we're able after that to actually dive deeper, to actually feel that what this practice is doing inside us, and refining our awareness and crystallizing our sensations so that we can start to fine-tune into that inner realms. Kundalini Yoga is Kriya Yoga, and Kriya refers to the effort that we put into staying disciplined in the yogic lifestyle. Kriya prepares the body for increased amounts of Kundalini energy, as normally we waste a lot of our energy flowing out, and Kriya helps you to bring that energy back inside your body, into the channels, energy channels, so that we can start then channeling and integrating and spreading that energy and utilize that for hidden stages of awareness. Paramahansa Yogananda always said that Kriya Yoga is one of the most profound and powerful yoga practices for personal evolution, for transcending your limitations, and eventually for self-realization. One of the most effective tips for practicing Kundalini Yoga would be not to be attached to the blissful and joyful experiences. This can be the fruit of the practice, but the difficult and challenging moments are there for a purpose. And on those moments, we actually dive deeper inside our system and start strengthening the nervous system. And this is really an essential part of the practice, so that we are able to bear the difficult moments without reacting to them by liking them or disliking them or whatsoever the mind is telling you, but staying in that clear, naked awareness when the difficult parts arises. And this is where the magic happens. This is where you start to expand. So whether pleasurable or challenging moment, include it as a part of your practice. And this is the best way to liberate yourself from the bondages of our minds. I hope that you enjoy this beautiful and powerful practice that is very dear to me, and I'm super happy to guide you through this. And also, if you have any questions arising along the way, don't hesitate to get in touch, and I'm super happy to do my best to support you in this journey. I hope you enjoy this practice to dive deep within. Satnam, Satnam, Satnam.